Hi children, good morning. Welcome to video lecture classes. In the last video, I started the lesson agriculture. In the part of that, I want to explain the same lesson different types of cultures. What are the different types of cultures? Art, agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture, horticulture. These five are given in your textbook. These are very important for our future also. What is the meaning of agriculture? Means the science and art of the cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is called the farming. Okay, science farming. Agriculture means farming. The science of art of cultivation of the soil, that is called the farming, raising crops and rearing livestock also, that is called the agriculture. Next, sericulture. Sericulture is a commercial rearing of the silkworms. How can the silk produced by the weavers? Anyone know? Okay, silk was came from the silkworms. In our East Godavari district, Kendra, one village is there near Rajavammangi. In that area is silkworms are growing by rearing by the people. Okay, silkworms, that is called the sericulture. It may supplement to the income of the farmer. It ends, it supports, economical support is given by the farmer also. It gives the support to farmer, economic support. Okay, commercial rearing of silkworms, that is called the sericulture. Next, pisciculture. Pisciculture means the breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds, that is called the pisciculture. Breeding of fish. Nowadays we are all seeing in your surrounding areas, some of the ponds all are changes into fishes ponds. In those ponds, some of the people provide favorable conditions for their breeding, and they multiplying the number of fishes in those ponds. What did they do? They export these fishes to some areas. They earn some of the income with this pisciculture. So it is also one of the commercial culture. Okay, that is called the pisciculture, breeding of fish in especially constructed tanks and ponds. Next, viticulture, cultivation of grapes. Cultivation of grapes is called the viticulture. Next, horticulture, growing vegetables, flowers and fruits for commercial use, that is called the horticulture. We are all growing some of the vegetables, flowers in your backyard for our purposes, to fulfill our needs. But here in the horticulture, people growing these things, these vegetables, flowers or fruits, for earning some money for commercial use. That's why it is very important for us. Okay, so there are different types of cultivation, basic of product what you produce. So agriculture, farming, sericulture, rearing of silkworms, pisciculture, breeding of fish, and viticulture, growing of grapes, horticulture, growing of vegetables. These are the cultures are available for us in the present day lives. Next, farm system. What is meant by farm system means agriculture. Agriculture, another name is the farm culture. The important inputs in the farm system are seeds, chemicals or fertilizers, and machinery, some of the machinery, labor. These are the main inputs of the farm system. First, the farmers are sowing some of the seeds. After, they supply some of the water to those fields. Mm, then they spraying some of the chemicals or fertilizers or pesticides. After, in the harvesting, they cut that. These are all activities include in this. What are the activities include in the farm system? Plowing, sowing, spraying, harvesting. These are the activities include in the farm system. Okay, what are the outputs of the farming system is crops, wool, and poultry, and dairy products. These are the outputs of the farm system. These are all consists of the farm system. Okay, farm system means it is the agricultural, another name of the agriculture. It includes what are the inputs of these things are machinery, seeds, chemicals, labor. These are the inputs. What are the works including in it is plowing, sowing, spraying, irrigation, weeding, harvesting. These are the activities are included in this farm system. What are the outputs of the farm system is different types of crops, wool, dairy products, and poultry. These are the some of the outputs of the farm system. These are all consists of the farm system. Okay, now types of farming. How many types of farming are there? What are they? Now let us discuss. Types of farming. Farming is produced in various ways across the world. In the world, according to their convenience, they cultivated their land, they practiced. So many members practiced the agriculture in the different ways. What are those ways? Farming, geographical conditions, based on the geographical conditions and demand of the purpose and labor and availability of the technology. These are the four things including in this farming. Okay, geographical conditions. All the lands are not suitable for all types of crops. Suppose alluvial soils are suitable for growing paddy. Black soils are suitable for growing cotton. Red soils are suitable for groundnuts. So all the soils are not available in all the areas. One area has one type of soil. So that is according to the geographical conditions and demand of produce, availability of labor, and technology. Based on these three, our farming can be classified into two main types. Our farming can be classified into two main types. They are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming and commercial farming. What is meant by subsistence farming is this type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of the family. Farmers doing this type of farming to fulfill their needs. It is not a commercial, to fulfill their needs, to provide food for their family. Okay, in this type, they use household labors are used by them. Only who lives in their family, those people only do all the works of agriculture. And they can cultivate small plot of land also. Okay, in this subsistence farming, household members work hard, and that farmer farm practice to fulfill the needs of the family. So that is about the subsistence farming. This subsistence farming can be further divided into two types. Again, this subsistence farming is divided into two types. What are those two types? Are intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. What is intensive and what is primitive farming? You will discuss in the. Okay, miss. Have you understood, children? This video. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.